Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. As the train go by, I start recording. How typical is that? Okay, so in today's video, just a short little one. Just want to give you a little bit of feedback about the bike. I've done just over 500 miles on the bike, and so far really enjoying it. It's going in for its 600 mile service in about a week's time, I think, as far as I understand. So I just want to get as many miles on as possible, and just to explore. We've got dry weather, so I thought myself, let's get out. I'm using this Curvier app. It's a German navigation app that gives you some free mileage to do some round trips where you can follow on. So I've been using that to find some small little back roads. And it's just been absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. So this afternoon is going to rain, and I thought myself, let's just quickly make a little video for you guys, just to give you an update about the bike status and so forth. And also, the main thing of this video is my first little 3 upgrades. Well, not upgrades, it's actually accessories that I bought for the bike from AliExpress. And I'll link that in the description below if anyone is interested in. I'm not a bike modification type of person. I like to ride it as stock as possible. But because the accessories and the little bits and bobs that you can buy for this bike is so cheap, you just have to hang on a bit for AliExpress to deliver. It makes it more affordable to do smaller things. And I thought to myself, these are the things that I would like to do or get right in the beginning. So I thought to myself, order it. It took about a week and a half to arrive. I installed it the other night, and I'm pretty happy with it. So let me quickly show you the 3 little bits that I did to upgrade. Nothing big, nothing major, but this sort of allows you to really customize your bike to your liking. And there's so many accessories and so many prices. So yeah, check out AliExpress for the 450MT's accessory list, because there's tons. Okay, let's have a quick look. Okay, let's have a look here, and the first one is the Bigfoot. So I went for the one that's got CFMOTO MT printed on the foot. Very easy to install. You can only install it one way, and as you guys can see, there's a little like a little notch there, and this little notch is for the foot's casting that goes down here. So very easy to install. I use some blue Loctite to help that out, but it gives you a nice big side stand foot part, just so if you do stop on loose gravel or sand or grass or anything, then it doesn't sink in. So it is pretty easy to install. I use Loctite, blue Loctite on everything, just to make sure that it sticks there. Okay, second one. Second one is paddock stand, the bobbins at the back. Again, I've got the one, the CFMOTO. You get different colors. You get the red, you've got the the yellows, blues, and whatever. So you can really customize. I went for the boring black, and nice and solid, easy to install. Again, put some Loctite on. Don't over tighten the stuff, but yeah, just make sure it's snug. And then after like a few hundred miles, just check all the stuff as well, because it settles in, and then you can just tighten it again if you need to. But there you go. That's on that side. Okay. Then the last bit, probably the major change, is this side sticker. The side sticker for protection on the tank. A lot of people are saying this piano black, the shiny black here, does scratch up. So I thought to myself, I think it was like £18 or something to buy the stuff, and it's very easy to fit. And I think it does look good. So it writes the 450 in there. You get a nice little big. It's a sort of like a rubber as well, self healing as well. So you can use if you do get a bubble in, you can slowly just like stab it with a needle just to get the bubble out if you want to. But yeah, really nice, I must say. Well, there's again so many designs as well that you can get. They did give me some additional for here, but because my legs doesn't really go down here, because I do most of my riding on the road, so I'm not going to be pinching the bike here for off-roading. So I thought I'll leave that out. But it sort of does a great job. And I must say it's easy to install, but also easy to remove again if you make a mistake. Because I thought to myself, ooh, you know, if this thing is a one-way valve, I'm going to stick it and then it is never going to come off. Then it's going to be a problem. But hey man, it is really nice, and it covers up that area. Because I also didn't want too much of the blue gone, because I do like the blue, and I do like the little bit of a pink stripe in there. But yeah, that's it. A few other things that I want to just note about the bike. I'm riding on, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. The fourth one from the bottom on my front screen. I think that works the best for me. I must say I'm very impressed with this Ambro A4 tires, the CSTs. You know, I had the what is it on the Triumph? What was it? Was it the Karoo streets or whatever? Really nice tire, but this stuff just sort of, it almost feels like the light gravel that I've done yesterday. And also just loose stones and mud inside on the roads. The tires just like and really seem to be gripping really well. I thought I'm gonna feel uncomfortable with the big knobby. You know, when you lean over and you get this this gap here that you might feel like you're gonna fall off. You know, not fall over, but it's like a big jump between the big knobby and then the other one. But yeah, I feel really comfortable with these tires. The chain is nicely bedding in as well. No rust on it, like my previous bikes. So that's all good. If anyone knows what this is this to hook your chain on when you take the rear wheel out? Let me know in the comments. It looks to me like, I think you hook the chain on there so it's out of the way, and then when you have to change a tire or fix a puncture. So that's that. Otherwise, it's been pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. A nice place to be. Really comfortable as well, and I'll cover that in a more extensive video after I've done the 600 miles. And I'll also take you out for a little ride on the bike. So that's, guys, that's just the 3 little things that I've changed on the bike so far. There's loads of stuff, you know. So go out and check AliExpress if you're interested in it. Other things that I want to mention about the bike. So if you don't like riding long distances, I would say don't buy the bike, because it's so damn comfortable that you want to ride long distances. Like, I've now been out every morning, and you know, listen, I don't do like massive long rides, but the first ride was about a 6-hour stint on the bike. Then yesterday, the previous day I did 3 hours. Yesterday I did 2 hours, and this morning I'm probably going to be doing 2 hours again. And let me tell you one thing, it must be the level of the suspension travel compared to the soft seat and the riding position. But man, this thing is just comfortable. It's just an easy place to sit. You know, I can easily, you know, and I do a 2-hour ride without stopping. You know, it's just like and with the fuel the amount of fuel that this bike takes, you get over 200 miles of range. It's just, for me, it's like you can just sit and ride and ride and ride and ride. It's so comfortable, it's so smooth. And I've done some really like small little roads yesterday, you know, where it's choppy, potholes and so forth. It's just been absolutely perfect. It's just so comfortable. It's like so if you don't like spending long hours on the bike, I don't know. This is just super comfortable. For me, it's bizarre. It's the right amount of weather protection, the right amount of weight, the right amount of suspension travel. Everything is just feels to me like just a really comfortable setup to be in. I just want to leave it like that. Because it might change. I don't know, but that's where I've been. That's what I've been feeling so far. Okay, cool. It's now it started raining, so I need to make a move so I can get my hour or 2 hours of riding in. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If there's any comments or questions about the bike, please drop it in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.